my god! Is that hailstone? Fucking is! Jesus! Oh! Well, hello there YouTube, we are back, and we are back on the Tracer 9 GT Plus. And what a bike this is! That 3-cylinder engine in this is fantastic. I say it about every bike I've been on recently, don't I? But I am in love with this thing. The way it handles, it just goes around corners beautifully. That engine, what we on, 117 ponies underneath us, and yeah, it flies. It is an animal, this thing. Comfortable. The only thing I have noticed about it, I've only just got on it, the clutch engagement feels like it's right at the end of the travel, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting it to bite a bit quicker than it does, but it's not a bad thing, it's just getting used to it. But this is fantastic. For such a big bike, I didn't expect it to be so well at handling. And that engine sounds fantastic. I'm not sure about this screen yet. We'll get on some high-speed roads soon and have a look at that. Reading the reviews online and watching other videos though, I'm guessing it's going to be piss poor. We are on the hunt for a new bike now. We are currently bikeless, so this is one of the ones we're looking at, and I'm guessing it's going to be top of the list. Seat it's hard, it's firm, but it's comfortable. I am up against the pillion seat here. There's not much room for moving about on it, but I quite like that, how it's gripping me. It feels quite nice. It's a good seating position. Legs are comfortable in a sporty position. They just feel like they back under me arse a bit, but not in a bad way. The sound this engine makes. I think I am a triple man, definitely. That quick shifter works seamlessly, just buttery smooth, up and down. Yeah, I could do some miles in this, definitely. I like it. I've probably done a mile on it, and I can already tell. I'm in love with it. I do. I like it. Don't like that. Whoop! Fucking hell! Watching that shit in road, I didn't see him stopping. That would have been costly. Fucking hell! Fingers crossed the sound's coming through alright. I haven't used this GoPro since October. I turned it on yesterday and it was playing up a bit. It didn't want to turn on. Then when it did turn on, it was crackling and you couldn't hear anything through the sound. Charged it to 100% last night. Turned it on this morning to check, it wouldn't turn on. It was completely flat. So hopefully we've got a video out of it that sounds okay, but we'll only know that in the editing, I suppose. This is the GT Plus one. It's not the one I'd be going for. It is coming in around 15,000. I'd be going for the standard one and adding a top box to it, and then it's coming in for around 10 grand. That's the way I'd be going, saving costs. Same engine, same everything else. Yeah, you do miss some of the goodies, but they're the things I probably wouldn't use anyway, so is it worth paying the extra for? No. Panniers, I don't really want panniers, so I'm not going to miss them. I only want a top box. Yeah, so the standard, really, you save yourself 5 grand and you've got the same bike. And what a bike it is. So comfortable. Seating position, my arms are just in a nice relaxed position. The bar's quite wide, makes it easy for manoeuvring. That quick shifter is, I love it. So much easier than pissing about with a clutch. And I've got to say, in person the bike looks better than it does in pictures. I do like that transformer look of these. Not so sure about the side profile of it, but I think it'll grow on me. I like it more from the front end. It's a lovely place to sit. Windscreen adjustable easily, just pull that in, put it down, pull it up. Not too hard to do, but like I said, the reviews of the windscreen online are never glowing. I suppose they can't cater to everybody for the windscreens, can they? So come on, Mr. Van Man. My God, it is cold today. My hands are freezing. I'm not used to being on a bike. I've not been on a bike since October. What we're in now, end of March. Jesus, I'm not used to this wind. It is freezing, my hands are cold and everything. Hopefully the rain stays off. On the way on the drive in here, it was just raining a bit then. Oh, this thing is fantastic, I love it. Right, let's have a go. Back brake. Yeah, it drags a bit. Front brakes are perfect, as you'd expect on a bike like this though. It's that engine that's the winner of this bike though. The way it just picks up, the way it sounds, everything about it. Oh, we're coming up for some fast roads in a minute. It's motorway time. We'll go and give it a test on there, see what it's like, higher speeds, see what that windscreen's like. Like I said, it's probably going to be a load of crap. What is knocking about on my top today? Something's banging on my helmet off my coat and I don't know what it is. It's these flappy side bits here. Oh. Oh, listen to that! Fucking hell, 90! That thing shifts! Oh, I like it. Yeah, right, wind protection is, as we guessed, not the best. Not getting any turbulent air. It's quite smooth, but it is noisy. Whoa! Don't want to be losing that! Yeah, it is it's definitely not the best at wind. Front end feels quite jittery as well. Well, it is quite a windy day today. that thing shifts. Right, let's have a go with it down and see how much of a difference that makes. Skin is getting more straight onto the helmet. Does feel a bit cleaner though, I think. Yeah, it's quite nice. I could sit on here at 75, 80. Yeah, we're alright here. It is noisy. Should have put my earplugs in, I didn't think about it. I would say though, being sat on when I was doing the 790 Duke down this same stretch of motorway, I felt more comfortable on that. It was just very clean air coming in, and I can definitely feel more turbulent off this than you do on a naked bike. That's for sure. But it is a very windy day today. Fucking hell. Whoa. Yeah, we'll ease off a bit down here. That might be part of the reason why. That wind is strong. I thought we were going to take off then. One thing I have noticed about this, you keep getting in the way of this switch gear here when I'm going for the indicators. I suppose that'll just be muscle memory, but it is a bit cluttered here. How's the ounce on? Not bad for a horn. I've got to give a shout out to Yamaha at Wigan. Thank you to Dougie for loaning me this bike today. Helpful guy. He's also going to let me have a go on the Tenere after here, so we'll have a couple of videos to go up comparing to. While we're on the hunt for a new bike, we might as well get as many test rides in as possible. At the minute, I do like this one, but I've still got that 790 Duke in the back of my head. This is comfortable. I could do a lot of miles on this, but on that motorway blast then, I mean, it was a very windy day today. I just can't get that 790 Duke out of my head. It's just done something to me. I love it. I do like this a lot, and I'd be very happy to have it in the garage. But that 790, it's the reliability and puts me off with the Duke. I just don't know. We are only on bike number 2 of the test rides though, so we may have a change of heart soon about that Duke when we get on some more bikes. At the minute though, I think it's trumping this one. Yes, this one's got more power. Yes, better passenger carrying capabilities, but there's just something about it. Yes, I love the sound of the engine. Yes, it's doing everything I want it to do. It's just I can't get that Duke out of my head. We'll go and find a spot down here to have a walk around the bike, show you around it. I do prefer the colour scheme it's in than the red one. I'm not so keen on that red colour scheme it comes in, but this black one's nice. God, it's windy today. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't be disappointed if I had this. It's just that Duke is in the back of my head still. I just can't get rid of it. I love the way that thing rode. Oh, is it alright? We're busy now. Should be alright over there at the back, shouldn't we? How hard are we finding neutral straight in? Not bad. There's the side stand. Yeah, easy enough. I'm 6 foot tall, 32 inch leg, and I am fully flat foot in this bike. In fact, I could even stand up a bit. So it's definitely not massive. It is a big bike, but it's not massive. But yeah, this colour scheme I think looks quite good. Look at them seats, they are comfortable, and that seat would be better for a pillion than the bikes I'm thinking of. But how often do they actually come out with you? Not that often. Yeah, it is a good looking bike. I'm not so keen on it front, but that I like that front light. The transformer looks very good. Yeah, I do like it. It's just that I can't get rid of the Duke. I just can't get it out of my head. It's very stable bike this. There's no, you feel very in control of it. It's not top heavy, it's very well balanced, nice and manageable. Definitely if you're a smaller rider and you're worried about dropping one of these, or you're worried it'll be too big and heavy for you, it's definitely not, even at slow speed. This is lovely. And that engine is a peach. Let's get past him, let's see how easy it is. Oh, of course it's easy. You don't even have to attempt to try, it just does it. Oh no, it's raining! For fuck's sake! We have no waterproofs. The coat is about as waterproof as a fucking t-shirt. Ah! Fuck's sake! And I think it's fucking hurricane season in England today. Oh my god! Is that hailstone? Fucking is! Jesus! Oh! Fuck's sake! What is happening? This is not what I wanted. All going down my neck, stinging my arms, bouncing off it. And now the floor is piss wet through. Suppose it gives it our impressions of how it is to handle in the wet. And snow, and hail, and wind. And it's handling everything in its stride. So how is it for filtering? We get to find out now, and it is, as you can see, not a problem. Straight to the front of the queue, as you should be on a bike. So that is another tick, but we knew it weren't going to be a problem anyway. And then with that lovely engine, you are away from the lights before any car can even think about setting off. And what a lovely engine that is. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like that video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and carry on the ride with me to see what we come up with for the next bike. Peace out.